A lot of old buses here. I just like all the different colours they come in. These ones here have been lowered right down. It's slammed into the ground. Look at this old one. So many old buses, the old original buses here. Loads here. Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are down near Manston in Kent. We're in our own backyard, and we've come down to a little place called Quex Park. Now you may have heard of Quex Park if you're in the Volkswagen community, because it used to be Kent Volkswagen Festival, but now it's called Kamper Fest, and they're letting all different vans in. So that's where we are for the weekend. We've just arrived. We're sitting in the traffic trying to get into the festival grounds. So stay with us. We'll see what we can find in there. I've never been here before, so I don't know what it's going to be like. And we'll see what we can find. We've got the new windscreen lines up from Fuel Lagoon. If you're interested in those, we'll put a link in the description below. So the wind's been picking up here a little bit over the last hour or so. A lot of awnings come down, windbreakers come down. That's the English weather for you. A lot of old buses here. I just like all the different colours they come in. As we said before, it used to be the Volkswagen Festival, so most people here are used to coming here for getting together with other Volkswagen enthusiasts, so naturally it's mostly Volkswagens here. So our Transit is identified as a Volkswagen this weekend. Transit's the only other big Mark 8 Transit we've seen. Looks like the weather's going to turn. If you're interested, all lowered and a lot of work done to it. £6.5 grand.
But I loved her when she walked out the door. She was
so it's only a small show, mostly Volkswagens, but it's a nice weekend away. And it's only an hour from home, so we can't complain. These ones here have been lowered right down. It's slammed into the ground. Look at this old one. Crafter conversion. Not seeing too many self-conversions here, but there's a crafter. Nice, colourful one there, Banksy. So many old buses, the old original buses here. Loads here. so that's it then. That's the show and shine. Everyone's brought their vehicles in, they've polished them up and opened them all up for people to see. There's I'd say a good 30 vehicles there, ranging from old campers to, you know, the old Volkswagen buses to transporters. There's a few Beetles there and things. Really nice examples. It's been a good weekend. It's been a nice breakaway. We've seen some nice Volkswagens. That's primarily, although they've opened it up to other vehicles this year, that's still primarily a Volkswagen festival, to be honest. So we're going to head back to the van, have a bacon sandwich, and then we're going to head off. So join us next time and we'll see where we are then. Hopefully we'll be at the Overlander show. Don't know if that will be the next video, or we've still got some van build videos to come out, so we might do one of those next. We don't know. Join us next time to find out. So until then, bye for now.